Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see a question asked in GATE 2000. This question consists of linearity and reciprocity theorem. So let us see how can we solve this question. In this question it is said that in this figure A, 10 volt source is connected here and 2 ampere current source is flowing in this branch. So by using this figure A, we have to find out the current I in this figure V. Here we can see that in the question a 10 volt source is connected here and this 10 volt source is multiplied by 2 and it is replaced by this 2 ampere current branch. So here it is 20 volt. We can see that the polarity of this voltage source is reversed here. So in the question this circuit is given, we can see that in this box only resistive element is connected. As we know that if there is resistive element only in the circuit, then that circuit will be linear and reciprocal. We can see that A and B are the input where 10 volt source is applied here. So we replace this all resistive network by this box. This is the resistive network box. And here at A and B 10 volt source is applied and output C and D 2 ampere current is available. So if we use reciprocity theorem, then we can say that this voltage source is placed at output, that is between C and D terminal, that is 10 volt here. Then at the input across terminal A and B, this 2 ampere current flow. We have replaced the output with the same voltage source, so this voltage source will be short circuited here and the response will be same as 10 voltage source is applied here and response is across C and D. Across C and D 10 volt source is applied, then response at A and B will be 2 ampere. Now from the property of linearity we know that if we twice our input, we multiply by 2 at our input, then our output will be get multiplied by the same constant. So here if we multiply 10 volt by 2, then it will become 20 volt. So response at output will also be get multiplied by 2. So it will be 4 ampere here. As we can see in our question that this voltage source polarity is reversed. Then the polarity of the response of current at the output will also be get changed. The direction of current source is here downwards. Since we have changed the polarity at terminal C and D, so it response will be upward across terminal A and B. As we can see in our question that direction of current is asked in this direction. So we can see here from circuit that current value I will be equal to minus 4 ampere. So this is our answer. Let us see how can we solve this question by using second method. From reciprocity theorem, we know that if V1 voltage is applied at input and I1 is the response of this linear network due to application of V1 voltage, and if we replace this branch current by V2 source, then response at the input now become I2. Then from reciprocity theorem we can write as response upon excitation is equal to constant, or we can say I1 by V1 will be equal to I2 by V2. If we rearrange this, then we can find out V1 by V2 is equal to I1 by I2. In our question it is given that if V1 voltage is applied 10 volt in this resistive network at input, then its output is I1 is equal to 2 ampere. Now if we apply V2 is equal to minus 20 volt, since polarity has been changed at the output, so we need to remember this thing that polarity should not be changed. If polarity is changed, then we have to include the negative sign in our question. And due to this V2 voltage source, current at output is I2. So we can write as V1 by V2 equal to I1 by I2. Now put the values as V1 is 10 volt and V2 is minus 20 volt. I1 is 2 ampere and I2 is asked in this question. So I2 value will be equal to minus 4 ampere. So this is our solution. In this way we can use reciprocity theorem and linearity theorem in the question, and we can find out our solution by using these theorems. So see you guys in next videos.